Hey all, good day. This is Christy Rogers with Training Umbrella, and I'm here to answer questions that I often receive from students in my classroom. One being, how could I add some values based on another variable? So, for example, how could I add all these numbers up, these estimated hours, if we have the work order priority set for P as in Paul? And to accomplish this, we would use the SumIf function. It is actually pretty easy to use. I'm going to head up to my formulas tab here. And under the math and trig category, you could scroll down alphabetically to the S's. I'm going to grab that SumIf. And this opens up what I call the helper box, or kind of the wizard, to work us through this. So first thing they're asking is your range. And Microsoft does a pretty good job down here giving us a little statement on what it's looking for. So the range is what we're evaluating, which would be the work priority. So I'm going to have Excel look at this area here, D5 through D11. Now, if I needed to do this for an entire list, I could have selected column D and that would have worked well, but we're just going to evaluate these cells. The criteria is, what are we looking for? What's that criteria? What's that condition that needs to be true? And we're looking for the letter P as in Paul. And anytime you're looking for a variable that's in kind of a text form, you need to put that in quotes. So there you have it, quote, capital P quote. Then the sum range are the actual cells that we need to add up. So here we go. I'm going to go over and say, please add this area if P is met, and let's see what we get. Let's click that OK option, and there we go. We get an 88, which is the correct answer. So there you have it. Use SumIf when you need to add values based on another variable.